Yes, yes. No, it is a starting recording. Okay. So now, hello, bro.
Okay. Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. So please tell me, where are you from?
Yes, I'm connecting to you from Jharkhand. And you?
I'm from Bihar state, and
Oh,
and my name is Vicky Kumar. Yes. And we are, by the way, we are talking first time on video call.
yes, yes.
Yes. So, um, what is your feelings? Are you excited or not?
Yes, I'm very excited because it is my first time by video call, bro, with you.
Okay. Okay. With me, you have
Yes.
talked with any person video call on video call?
No, I didn't talk in the person.
Oh my God. So we are lucky. Yes. And it is first January of 2026. So people are
Yes.
celebrating either New Year of the first day of 2026. So where you have decided to go? Do you have any planning for celebrating first day of this year?
Okay, I didn't decide anything.
No, but most of the boys, they have decided they have decided to go for party.
Yeah, yeah, I know. But
Uh,
I don't know. I didn't decide.
okay,
Okay, now tell me your short introduction yourself.
okay. So no, I again start. Okay,
Okay,
I
okay.
okay, okay. So my name is Vicky Kumar and I am from Bihar state, and now I'm 22 years old, and I'm pursuing BA,
Okay.
and there are 7 members in my family, and I am the youngest in my family. Uh, by the way, I have 3 brothers and one elder brothers. Okay, so this is my short introduction, bro. So nice, thank you.
Okay.
And you? So now you can tell me what yourself in short.
Okay. Okay, I'm telling you my introduction.
Yes.
Okay, I'm connected to you from Jharkhand, and I'm a student
Yeah.
and I study in 12th class right now.
Yes.
And I'm telling you, there are 5 members in my family. I have two elder brother and no sister.
Okay.
It is my introduction. Yeah,
Okay, bro. Great. Great. Nice. Yes. It means bro. Yes. I think yesterday we talked. Okay.
what?
I think yesterday we tried to talk, but you had some work, and because of some work, you couldn't connect to me.
Okay.
Okay. So, so bro, English. Now we are learning English, and especially for speaking English. Okay. So, what do you think after speaking English? What do you want to achieve? Okay. What do you do after learning speaking English? So please tell me something as you want.
Yeah, I'm telling you. Yeah,
Yeah.
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 That time I was not good at English, and yeah, I that time Suklal bro he motivated me. If you
Yeah.
know 10 years, you can start speaking. That time I started speaking, and nowadays I'm feeling good because it is a language. If you practice every day, so you can do it. That's why I
Yeah. Yeah.
practice every day in front of mobile camera, and yeah, in front of mobile camera I
Yes.
use every day.
Yeah. 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 Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
nowadays we are very busy. That's why I don't practice because it is a cutting season. That's why.
Okay. Okay. That's great. And now, still in your area, harvesting is going on or threshing is going on.
No, no, cutting is going on. Ninety
Oh,
percent is has 90% has cutting like completed.
okay. Still in your area, paddy is cutting down.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Thank you.
In your area,
And now in my area, paddy cutting. process has been done. Okay, and they all have threshed their crops, and sowed sowed they have sown, bro, wheat crop.
Okay.
Okay.
So in your village person is learning English or not?
No, no, bro. No one. I'm only single person. Okay. No one wants to learn English. Okay. But by the way, my village is very big. Okay. At least 300 people are working in government sector. Okay. And my village is educated. Okay. But no one, no one is learning and speaking English, and no one nowadays. Now, currently, it may be after 1 or 2 years or 2 3 months they can speak, but I don't know anyone who
Okay.
speaks English, So I am only okay. I'm only a single boy who speaks English, and I'm learning English. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. And in our village person is not learning English. I don't know that they are thinking it is hard language according to me. But it is not
Okay.
hard language according to me. Yeah.
No, no. Totally depends on thought. If you take it is hard, then it definitely it will going to hard for you. Okay. So anything we need to take easy. Okay. First we have to think, no, I will learn this language. This is a language, so we can learn. Because language can be learned, bro. Okay. Yes,
Yes. Yes.
yes.
Yeah.
And by speaking, by practice, by sharing the thoughts, we can learn. No, it is not a big
Yeah.
deal.
Yeah. Yeah. And now tell me, bro, what is the most important for speaking nowadays? Because uh, one my friend is learning English. He don't know English, so what
Yeah,
I
yeah.
will tell why I will tell her so that he can speak English little bit. He's telling me, please tell me some type grammar. Yeah, some type. What should I do so that I can speak English little bit? He's telling me.
Okay, it means you want to ask what is the important topic from that we can learn. Okay.
Ye-
It means
Yes, yes,
yes, which part of that grammar and any speaking that we agar if I learn first, then we can start speaking. We don't need to face any more problem. Okay. So bro, first of
yeah,
all we need to learn tenses. Okay.
yeah.
Yes,
It's good, hundred
yes,
percent.
tenses. Yes, we if any are new learner, they want to learn this language and they want to start speaking. The first of all they have to learn tenses. After that, modals. Okay,
Okay,
modals
yeah. I
and
also
passive and
okay.
passive and passive type sentences. Okay, and if you have command on these three topics, then I can say, and I guarantee at least you can start speaking little bit. If you
Yeah,
practice
yeah,
daily, then it will happen.
yeah. I told her, bro. He
Yes,
is learning English. Yeah, he is
yes,
learning all grammar like tenses.
yeah,
He is able to speak English little bit.
yes. And most important thing is conjunction. Conjunction plays very important role to connect
Yeah,
one sentence to another sentence.
yeah, yeah.
Yes. So conjunction
Yeah,
is also
conjunction.
most
Yeah,
important. Yes,
yeah. I think I
yes,
don't know much vocabulary. It is very important. Vocabulary is very important now because you know all grammatical rule now.
yes, yes. But
Vocabulary
through
also important. Yeah,
yes, but through a story we can learn, we can remember vocabulary through a story. If you try to remember direct vocabulary, then I think it will not be interesting. Okay.
yeah.
So through a story we can learn through a story for a long time.
Okay,
Yes. So if you want anything, then you can ask, bro.
okay, yeah. And how long have you been speaking English? When did you start it?
Okay. How long I have been speaking English?
Yes,
And
yes.
when did I started learning English? By the way, bro, I have but I have started speaking English last 4 month last 4 month ago, and
Oh,
I have been learning speaking English in last 2 years. Okay,
okay.
and but I was also thinking when I will learn anything, when I will complete everything, then I will start speaking. So why thinking? Uh, I have also waste my time much. So now I have decided to no, I will not wait anymore. Just I will start speaking English. No matter people will what think about me. Just I will work on my strength. Okay. So it's people work. People can say you anything, but we should not care them. Okay. They can motivate you. They can demotivate you. But just only
Yeah,
focus on motivation.
yeah,
We try to stay motivated ourselves.
yeah.
Yes.
It's good, totally.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so I will tell you. I started speaking English 5 6 months ago, but at
Yeah.
that time I was not getting time, and whenever I get free time, I used to practice every day in front of mobile camera, and I have apps, apps, and that apps is good. You can speak, like you can connect any person. So that
Yes.
time I was using that apps, and
Yes.
yeah, I improved.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes. Bro,
yeah.
bro, except this WhatsApp group, do you have any application through you practice speaking English?
Uh, in our group.
No, no, no. Except group. Suppose you are not talking with any member of this group. Okay, then how do you practice at your home?
No, no. I in our group person I practice every day with person.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, what I mean, do you use any other application for talking?
Yes, I use apps like Pirap.
Here app. Okay, I also use that app.
Okay.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. Because yes, yes, because it has no any limitation. We can talk unlimited time.
Unlimited.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So now, I think you are talking from field.
What? Now tell me
You
again.
are, you are talking from the field.
Oh, now tell me again. I didn't understand.
Bro, I was saying you are talking from your field.
Yes, yes.
Oh, okay, I think. Bro, everyone find a new palace and peaceful palace where no one
Yeah.
can disturb, where no one can disturb, and they feel it, and they yes, they feel confident. Yes, definitely we need to choose peaceful palace where we feel confidence, no one can disturb.
Yeah.
Then we can easily talk with others person.
Because it is my first time with you. That's why I'm thinking nervous little bit. So doesn't matter.
No, no.
I will speak. Yeah.
No, no, but you are speaking good, bro. Your English is good, definitely. Yes, you are
Okay.
thinking. You are thinking in your mind only. What's your English is good, nice talking to you.
I'm
Yes,
telling you, I think
yes,
all time in English nowadays.
yes. Yes.
Even okay, even if I will make mistake, it's doesn't matter.
No,
But
no, no,
I
no,
will not mistake. Yeah.
no, no, no. We can make mistake, bro. Everyone makes mistake. Okay, even in the language of English, for their mother tongue, they also make mistake. So why
Yeah.
we
Yeah.
cannot make? So why we cannot make mistake? It's a
Yeah.
common thing, bro. We should not care on mistakes because mistakes are teacher. Okay.
Yeah. Good.
Yes.
And yeah, I'm telling you, bro. I have question for you. And why are
Yes.
you learning English? What is your reason? And yeah, it is my
Okay.
question for you. Yeah.
Okay. Nice question, bro. Thank you. Because, bro, I'm learning English because I want to become a teacher. Okay. It's and whenever I teach anyone, that time I feel confidence because I love teaching. Okay, and so this is my first profession of teaching. Okay, and
Okay.
uh, yes, yes, and by the way, in this month I'm going to take admission in DLED college. Okay, do you know do you know about DLED?
No, no, I don't know.
DLED is a course of 2 years. If you complete this course, then you will be eligible to become a teacher of primary school in government school. Okay.
Oh, okay,
Yes, yes,
okay,
yes. So that's the reason I'm learning English because I have to become English teacher.
okay, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I will tell you my reason, and I have completed a DCA course of computer. That's why I'm learning English, and I'm very, I'm very excited about this language to improve. That's why, and
Okay.
because in our village person is not learning English, they are thinking it is hard language, and I'm not thinking hard language. So I will learn English because practice
Okay.
is very important. That's why I practice every day. Yeah, it is my reason because it is not hard language according to me.
No, no, no. Yes, yes. Definitely, bro. Of course, it is not language. It is not a difficult language. Okay. Just it demands practice. Okay.
Yeah,
We need to give time for it. Okay. And today is first day of 2026. So from first day we can we need to learn whatever we have lose, whatever we have done mistake. We don't need to think. Just we need to start afresh. Okay, we need to start from the new things and we take resolution this day. Yes, from today, whatever do that will be in my favor, in our favor. Okay. Yes. So, bro, I think it is going to be large video. So now, what do you think? Because uh, it's time to winding the session.
oh, it is time to end. Oh, 9 p.m. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
okay. So
yes.
tomorrow, okay, I am telling you tomorrow I will call you. Then you can upload because it is my first time. That's why I am telling you.
No, no, no. There is
Please don't.
nothing. There is nothing problem. Okay, there is nothing problem. Yes, this is a very nice session. Okay,
Okay,
okay. So bye, bro. Bye. I will meet you in the next time. Okay.
okay, sure.
So bye.
Okay,
Have a good day. Have a good day.
yeah, yeah. Nice to
Okay.
meet you.
Okay. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.